Why is it moving so slow? You know what? No, let me not do all that. Alright, as the room fills up, good morning, everybody. Obviously, we know what's going on with the oil situation in Saudi Arabia. If you've been sleeping all weekend, they have been bombed by in a very well organized attack. If you looked at the direct hit of these drones, where they hit, it looks almost like it was like a video game. It was so precise, somewhat incredible. And you know, there you have like little refugee groups claiming responsibility. They don't know if it's Iran. They don't know who it is. So they're sending people over there to investigate. Could happen to us today, man. And you want to be short in the market when that happens. Let me tell you. No, but I think they tell us we have special like a snow globe around the U.S. that we can't get bombed from another country, but it's actually not true. We probably could. I don't know. We have a lot of veterans in the group. Can we get bombed by another country? Essentially, long range missile style, or even short range. They just go off the coast. I don't know. All right. We're live on YouTube. We're live on webinar. No, not webinar. I was about to say it. Easy webinar. Okay, everybody. Can't breathe in this thing. Ooh, how do people wear this stuff? All right. All right. Yes, everybody. My mother is in town. She lives in North Carolina. She's got a beautiful house in Asheville, not Nashville, Asheville, North Carolina, and she's here staying with me just temporarily, and that is it. So I told her, said, Ma, I know you don't understand all these widgets and stuff, but I need you to stay out of this room, okay? Because I'll be very embarrassed if you walk in and asking me if I have any, Imodium or whatever. I don't know. Whatever, I love my mom very much. I do. And that's why I'm allowing her to stay here instead of paying for the Hilton, which I did offer. There's a Hilton down the road. I said, Ma, you'll be more comfortable there? I live kind of messy, but I don't. I'm actually pretty clean. All right, but I love my mom. And all right, let's pop this on Facebook real quick. Next. All right, go live. Let's work this time. Let's work this time. It worked. Never works. Oh, there we go. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. All right, I'm excited for today. Are you excited for today? Are you excited for today? Well, turn that excitement down, because excitement is technically an emotion, and you don't want to trade with emotion. We're going to trade like computers and slowly scale into stocks with perfect perfection. Today, I'm going to trade traders that were in the earlier session, the private session for the World Series of day trading. I am going to be trading as I would trade on, hold on, I gotta go to Facebook, as I would trade for like during the whatever you call it, the World Series. I'm gonna trade the exact same way. Just to give you an example of, hang on, what did I do here? All right. Need to add what it is. Edit post. Just want to edit the words. Good morning, everybody on Facebook. By the way, guys, if you're watching this, do me this favor. Do me this solid. Go on Facebook and share my live stream. I want people to see what it's like to win. See my trading. Alright, apparently it's not letting me edit it, so that's that. Let's go to YouTube. Oh, it's so much easier to share from your phone. It's like incredible. Alright, good morning everybody. It's 9 o'clock. This is Luke from Breakout Trading, and we have a wonderful day ahead, full of trading, great stocks, oil surging, markets dumping. One of my favorite days. I love volatility, love, love, love it. A lot of people say stay away. I'm a VIX enthusiast. What can I say? All right. So I'm just sharing the Facebook video around. If you would share it around kindly. Why do I always get these girls like half naked on the thing? Man, it's just it's appealing. Unless you do the right things will not happen to you. Just got that quote. Yeah. And I heard another great quote yesterday that I requoted and then quoted again. But that quote from yesterday is traders. I'm going to tweak it my way. I like it my way. Uh, Aaron, what are you getting upset about? I was the one that told you you overpaid. I did I not? Yes, because I am the man. So I know you're upset with them, but you can't purchase a new package. Yes, you can purchase a new package. Okay. Yeah. What? Aaron? Alright, we'll talk later. Apparently something happened to one of our reps, but I'll help you fix that, alright? You may be wondering why I am dressed up in a suit today. Jacket's on the back. Actually, I don't know if I should put it on the back of this chair. I'm always scuffing it. But I have a meeting with a brokerage investment firm out in Long Island, not in the city, and they are going to. Um, we're going to see if there's any kind of collaboration that can be done. Um, and also, I can get them to pay for everything. Everything. Lukey boy knows what he's doing. Oh, they could be watching this. Kidding. Kidding. Damn, they literally could be watching this. All right, cancel. Start over. No, but they know that's why I want to. Okay. All right, so let me share on Facebook if you don't mind. Share my video around to groups and stuff. I do notice when you share. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get the room filled up. Let's get trade ideas open so it doesn't look like someone's random screen. Oh, we're up already. Yuma bought this one the other day. Made a nice profit off of it. Is doing great. Doing great. I like the pullback down to 650. Give us just a second here. I'm not really interested in Yuma. I'm more interested on trading on the Tradenet account. And that is going to be for demonstration for the World Series. But we are going to jump into trading right now. That's so weird. Now all of a sudden there's a group called Day Trading Secrets right after I did that webinar on 3 secrets of a day trader, which is a good one, and I think you should come watch if you haven't. It could potentially uh, change your trading for good. All right, let's see. Yuma kicking, you know what? All right, let's. Before we look at all this, I want to know, most importantly, Nasdaq most advanced, not after hours. Nasdaq pre-market most active. Most advanced. Alright, so we got ALDR, okay, which was the second under Yuma on that thing. This is Alder Biopharmaceuticals. Went up $8, 8% change. It's on the most advanced list. I already am starting to love it. Let's take a closer look. Yuma, we know is going to dump. All right, I already spoke to you about how the market makers have to take the short side of those stocks when they surge like that and are losing a ton of money. So simply to make that money back, they just bring down the price, and they can do that because they're the market makers. They set the price. All right, so let's go ahead and what am I doing? What am I doing? I just totally forgot. Oh yeah, let's take a closer look at what was it? It definitely wasn't that. ALDR. I really like this. I think Antonio's going to like this too. Text Tony Hedges. What are your picks for today? Question mark. All right. For those of you that don't know, Tony Hedges is he is currently works at a hedge fund right now. Matter of fact, he used to be a former hedge fund manager. Now he's the current hedge fund manager, but he's currently working at a firm, and he's doing really well, making a lot of money. He does great picks. We sometimes have very similar picks because, in a way, he was a bit of a mentor towards me, for me. And that's another thing. That was one of the secrets: was get yourself a mentor and learn how to show your mentor that you appreciate them. Otherwise, they will not show any interest in you. And always, always, always go to your mentor first. You expect your mentor to come find you to teach you. Come to your mentor and be like, hey, man. And I say that to my people as well. I have a lot of mentees as well. Come to me. Let me know you're hungry. Let me know you want it. And then I will give you whatever I got. How long has there been no sound? It must be the Bluetooth is on the phone. Alright. Test, let me test. Test, test, test. YouTube, you good? YouTube good? YouTube good? You got sound? And Facebook, got no sound. Guys, did sound come back? Sound come back? Test, 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 test. Test, 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 test. Test, 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 test. How's that? Sound good? Alright, there we go. Alright, yeah. So as I was saying, yeah, very good to have a mentor. Anyway, so we are going to look up that stock, ADLR. Please tell me I got it. Oh, god damn it. I got so sidetracked with the sound. ALDR. Looks like we're trading ALDR. Alright, let's see why it's kicking ass. Okay, this looks like a buyout. You see how the price is kind of flat at the same level? Let's see. Yeah, $18 a share. Not interested at all. It's not going to move from that price point. Alright, damn it. I was kind of hoping on that one. What's the other one? Yuma. Yuma. Yuma's going to come down with vengeance. I wonder how Fran is looking today. Let's put all these on the chart here. Here's a chart. Yuma. I don't know. Would I get it at 650? What was that stock? There's no need really, but just in case. Lone Star is one that's always on here, but it's up a lot. Okay, that's good. That's good. XOG, Extraction Oil and Gas Company, has really good reason to be up. The rest all seem like gas companies. SMD, Smart Sand, PDC Energy. Alright, beautiful. XOG. I like that. I like that. XOG. Um, XOG. XOG. You know what? Why don't I put this over here? Oh my god. I have too many frickin' windows open. It's driving me crazy. I swear to you. And my computer looks like it needs a reboot. Maybe just an overall cleaning. Alright, Yuma. XOG. Kind of downtrending, no volume. Fran downtrending. Yuma consolidating. Gush is gushing. ADLR got bought out. So he's the ADLO. It's not ADLO. ADLO. Yeah, for $18 a share though. That's what he doesn't. I don't think. Loan. He's looking at loan too. ALD. ALD. Perspective. A protective space might be. Let's see. I can't wait to see what happens at the open here. I'm just gonna be very cautious at the open. I'm gonna just kind of explain what's going through my head as I'm doing it. So ALDO, ALDR, I don't like. We're gonna take a look at loan. There's no volume, man. No news really either. Um, let's take a look at the pivots on loan. Yeah, it's a terrible downtrend. It looks like it's starting to reverse out of that downtrend. It's a $3 stock. I'm not super interested in it. 780. We'll take a look at the pivot points real quick. So far, I'm not really loving anything. I'm thinking maybe an oil play. Of course, that's what everybody thinks that wants to jump into. Okay, so loan is currently right on its R1, but it's got such a small range. What is it going to go to? 339? It's probably where it's sitting now. It's 389. It's so far above everything. It's a little overextended. I'll keep an eye on it. That's it. And we'll put a little pullback at 339. I'll put a little alert at 340 to let us know that, hey, we're near a pivot. What else we got? We had a ALDR. Let's look at Yuma real quick. Alright, so we're up at the R2 on Yuma. Actually, the R2 is 8. What was it? 42? 840. That's the R2. So if the R2 pivot point is at 42 and Yuma currently sits at 6, I would buy it on a pullback to 5. And that's about it. Around 550. No, I would wait for the 515. But I don't think that that's going to happen. It could. It could. It could. It could. I'm gonna leave it at 550. Buy a small share size. Small. Create an alert. Yeah. That's the bottom of the flag almost. So, and then follow it from there. But I kind of assume this is going to dump out the gate. Um, okay, Gush is coming down. Oil stocks are coming down. This consolidation is going to go somewhere. And it's definitely a bull flag formation. Let's take another look at trade ideas. I know I'm flopping all over the place right now, but and then wait till I get to Benzinga. A lot of stocks above 15 today. It would be very unusual. I've almost never seen this many stocks above 15. So many choices. I bet you these are all oil stocks. XOG, oil, offshore, oil. So these are all oil stocks above 15. Smoke them if you got them. Let's see which ones seem to attract the most volume. This DNR, man, is only $1.46. That's why it attracts the most volume. ALDR really got CRC, California Resource Company. That's another one. And SEMG, some group, floats a little too high. Yeah, these are all oil. Oh, today is a day, guys. I said I want you to keep your news on. Please keep your news on. Keep it whatever it is, whether it's the Squawk Box. If you have Think or Swim, you can go right to chat and support. Go to chat rooms. Go to Benzinga Squawk and hit listen. And Benzinga Charlie will give you squawks of news, but I think it's probably better to listen to something along the lines of CNBC. You want to know what's going on today. Today is a news-driven day for sure. The investigation over there starts today. I mean, this was a terrorist attack, very well carried out. I mean, this could very easily happen to us. We're not very friendly with Iran, if it is indeed Iran involved. But you know what? I kind of want to wait till the open on this one, and that's it. But I am considering Yuma. But a lot of people are going to throw their money into oil. Which oil stock are we most likely going to get into? I like Gush, you know, or you guys. Go ahead, give me. You guys have any? What's a? Give me an oil stock and tell me why. 400 people should invest their money into it. It definitely looks like it's uptrending there. I think you guys was yeah. Natural gas. You're right. I'm sorry. That's good for natural gas. You guys is natural gas. Gush and drip. That's for oil. You guys is natural gas. But don't underestimate. You guys is going to be affected today. I think everything in the oil sector is going to be somewhat underestimated. But that would be like buying a cheaper stock when there's more on the other side. Like Gush. Yeah, Gush I like because of its price. Oof, and it just dropped and it gave the buy signal. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take 100 right here. Yeah, I'm taking 100 Gush. Pre-market open. $5 a share. Come on, go back down to the 2. But it kind of, Gush kind of seems flat, doesn't it? Like it's already had its run. DWT. So obviously it's an inverse stock. And then, right, you got the other one, which is UWT, right? Let's see. UWT. Now, I always keep oil on my charts just because it helps me indicate which way the markets are going. Oh, by the way, everybody, let me blow up myself real quick. And I'll do it over here too. There we go. So this board behind me has the team members for the Wall Street day trading competition, which starts tomorrow. So you got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, because it's 6 days total. We're gonna calculate your P&L every day, how you do, and we'll keep a top 3 here. We'll keep a top 20 list. The top 20 list is if you're in the top 20 overall. Top 3 is if you're just the top 3 of our group. You're in the top 3 of the top 3 of the competition. That'll be put in the top 20 list. It'll be noted which place you're in. If you're eliminated, it'll be noted. And then this is just Breakout's Trading's page. And this is where we put potential stocks. These are hell yes stocks, which means yes, absolutely get in. These are maybes. And these are what's called hell no's. Those are like, you could short those if you want, but most likely stay away. So we got 4 accounts here. We got my TD Ameritrade account, which is the one that was just on the screen. We got my Tradenet personal. We got the Tradenet pool, and then the World Series of Day Trading is here. So that's what the board is behind me, and that's how that will work. Yeah, you like that mattress. I give my dog a mattress. I'm the man. Whoa, why is that camera misfocusing? That camera's really bad. Compared to the HD camera, it's so bad. I don't know why they don't put an HD camera in it. It's like, just put a freaking HD camera in it. You know, maybe I'm not HD yet. There's a little button that says HD. Now you just invade my personal space, basically. But, alright, WTI. Okay, so oil's definitely dropping, which is a potential for a good entry. Let's see here. I am considering maybe, possibly, I wonder how cheap they are, but calls on Gush, if they even have them, at 6. Because I could see this going to 6. I don't know. Maybe that's a reach. That's a reach. Better off going for the bigger stocks. Like, what was I just on? UWT. If you're trying to make a point out of it, yeah. 15, it peaked. Now it's coming down. Now remember, most of these are actually ETNs. They're not ETFs, which means they're packaged debt. And overall, through time, they're just essentially going to go down. If they are triple weighted, like 3 times or 2 times, or ultra, which is 2 times. They're, but I don't really have nothing that drove me crazy here. I guess we're just gonna watch the market, watch oil. Is anybody looking at anything? I mean, we're gonna watch Aldo and all those stocks, but Aldar, Yuma. I got the chart up for that on another monitor. Yuma's consolidating right at the open of the bell. Oil, it's just all over the place, man. It's very hard to. Yeah, exactly, T-Vic. If you try to get oil, anything in oil with an oil name, oh my God, in options, you're gonna pay such a premium. You're gonna literally, the only way to make money on those is if you get in and out. That's it. Don't hold it. Don't overhold, because once the volatility slows down, I'm not purchasing an option today unless it's in the market, because the market is not being looked at so much. Market's being kind of overlooked. The Dow is down 100 points, okay, if not more now, and so we're gonna keep an eye on the markets. We're gonna keep an eye on oil. We're gonna keep our ear on the news. Which, speaking of, I did close that chat, right? I'm just gonna put in the actual Squawk Box because I mean I have it. I pay for it. Why not? All right. So I am breakout trading, by the way. Check it out. Yay! Yay! Yeah. All right. See the Benzingo top 5. Oh yeah, General Motors. Yeah, there's a strike, so what? That'll end. USO. Alright, yeah, that's actually good. USO. I don't know. Where am I going to add USO? Oh, B-Fly I really wanted to watch. Supposedly, something's supposed to happen with B-Fly. I forgot where I heard the news. Like yeah, they're going bankrupt or something. Yuma, USO. Yeah, the U.S. oil, it's popping, it's dropping, very good. I think it's gonna. I don't know, man. I don't know what's gonna happen. American Airlines, yeah, the drone attack is affecting anything that needs oil. The auto industry, the airline industry. Um, but you're better off going. I was looking at SEMG. Transfer announced plans to buy. Oh, so this is an acquisition. See, I missed this. Okay, so SEMG might be something. Oh, let me go back. Let me go back. Let me. Do we have time? Turn the Squawk Box on. I want to hear all the news I can. Facebook, you'll be able to hear this, but I don't think. I mean, no, YouTube, you'll be able to hear this. If you want to find my page on YouTube, just simply go to YouTube and just look up Luke Breakout Trading. Make sure you put Luke Breakout Trading. We'll still come up, but I think you have to skip through like a video or two. Damn, we're not big enough of a brand. Bothers me. Alright, pre-market session. Let's see. We got all the same crap. SCMG. GBR is another one that can really move. And it's an energy. And Glow. We got some good ones here that weren't on the other one. GBR, Glow. Okay, but right now I'm mostly focused on SCMG. Okay, SCMG, what's its current price? Current price, current price, current price, current price, current price. Ooh. Current price is 1654. Ooh, well overextended, but about to be above the 52-week highs. Something to keep an eye on. Back to Benzinga. I want to add Benzinga to this one. All right, we are open. We are open.
EU's Tradehead says the EU has proposed talks to reach deal on aircraft subsidies with the U.S., but Washington not willing to talk. That's a BA Boeing.
XOG taking off. Gush taking a dive. Good thing I didn't get in that. These dives could be good potential buys, though, guys. GBR, 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 GBR. Jade, knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off. Loan. Okay, loan is hit its pivot. Stop! Good girl.
GTS, Golf Tango Sandy, negative report out from Friendly Bear Research.
Fran is doing a dead cat bounce. And so is XOG. XOG and Fran look really good right
Friendly
now.
Bear says Triple S massively understated Hurricane Maria liabilities and ongoing Puerto Rico corruption probe introduce significant risk of near-term insolvency. That's GTS.
I don't know if it'll go past that. Yeah, now Fran's dropping. Everything's dropping. Roku's the only thing rallying right now, of course. I think I'm going to go ahead and,
Shares of Triple S Management hit a low of $16.40 after the open on that negative report.
XOG. I mean, oil looks like it was peaked out, so it's not really rising, but
Saudi-led coalition spokesperson says investigations are still ongoing in attacks on Saudi oil facilities.
LDR is popping up.
Saudi-led coalition spokesperson says has capacity to defend vital installations.
I can't freaking do it. I can't do it. I can't freaking do it. I just shut up. I can't concentrate. I'm a little worried this is going to come gushing down. Market's ripping right now. Oh, today is a tricky day, man. The only thing that looks good is Roku. And why did I get such a bad fill? How did I get filled at 148.85 when I bought it at the bottom of this candle? We're at 149. Ooh, Roku's looking pretty sweet. How long can I keep this up, though? Jade, I'm going to have to ask you to leave. Yes, pup. Okay, just had an alert. Where's that alert? Come on, let's break 150. Let's break 150. Let's break 150. Come on. There we go. We just touched it. We just touched it. Oh, don't pivot. Don't pivot. Alright, we broke. We broke. We broke. We broke. That's Roku. I didn't have time to post. I didn't have time to post. I didn't have time to post. Alright, let me take a partial here. 600 shares. Might be too soon to take a partial. If anything, I should be thinking about adding. I am in Roku in the pool account as well. We're up 166. I want us to stay up though. Now we're up 325 in that account. Wow. What an unexpected turn. Took a partial. I only have 200 shares left. Okay, over here I'm getting ready to take a partial as well in the pool account. Position. Let's take a 4. Oh, it's the market is taking a dive. Okay, I think we can sustain that. No, we can't. Okay. All right, I took a partial on that one. The other account. Okay, 2 accounts at once. This is intense. Right, but I just seen Roku ripping. I was not gonna ignore it. Let's see if it continues to rip. I got my partial there. I got my partial there. I'm gonna put you guys to the side. What else is going on other than Roku ripping? Good thing we caught that. Good thing that's always on our monitor. You know, that's why it's good to have multiple monitors. Sometimes they do pay for themselves. $1,000 in about 5 minutes or less. All right, come on, let's break into 151. 151, let's do it. I'll add if we break into 151. Ooh. Well, that might be the add point right down at the bottom there. Just 200 right here. All right. Come on. Come on. You got a little more oomph in you, Roku. I know you. People see you taking off. They jump in. Oil's not doing anything, right? Like, oil's, like, not really doing anything. So, all the people that are disappointed in oil go to Roku. That's how it works. That's how it's always worked. Come on, Roku. Don't do that crap. Eesh. Pullback is buy opportunity. That's what I would look at it as. There we go. There we go. Nice pop. Nice pop. On Roku. Come on, Roku. Let's break over 151. Why do I have this on like a 15-minute candle here? Forget it. We'll go here. Oh my god. Did I put Fran? I put Roku. Ooh, wow. What a break. What a break. What a break. All right. Let me take some partials here. This is important. I take some partials. 400. Market. 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 Wow. What a move. Sell. Woo! All right. All right. All right. All right, all right. Come on. Calm down. Let's be professional. Guys, let's be professional. 300, I'm selling on Roku for this account. For my personal, I'm selling 300 of my 400 shares left. And on the pooled account, I went in a little lighter because I'm being cautious with this one. Oh, let me take my profit. I took a partial already, so all that's left is my partial. I don't know how I made more in a $160,000 account than I did in a 240, but cautiousness, my friend. When it's other people's money, you be careful. All right, so let's see. What's happening now? So the market is getting ready to dump. What's going on? Somebody talk to me. Nobody? Nobody's gonna talk to me. Track SBY close. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm on the same page as you. Higgins. What's up, Victor? Alright, guys. Whoo! I need a good day, man, because there's a chance the brokerage is watching this, or whatever you want to call them. Oh yeah, that's why I'm dressed up today. That's why I got a suit and all that crap, because I have to have a meeting. Big time meeting for breakout trading. Might be able to get an actual firm involved. Because, you know, these firms are so used to cold calling and buying leads and doing all that crap that, you know, they're looking to get into integrated into the market. So, through somebody who knew a somebody kind of thing, my name got introduced, and I'm going to meet these people. And they'll be like, look at this clown. YouTube, how you guys doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, my friends. I think Roku is going to continue to rip throughout the day. It's a risky take to take, but one I'm willing to break. Oh my god, I'm still holding this crap. I forgot all about that. Alright, let me just toss it. Well, how's it doing, MTSL? Okay, Roku just turned. Yeah, okay, it's time to get out of Roku. Or, you know what, let me not get scared out. Let me chill, dog. So Roku's pulling back some. Could mean opportunity? What are we up? What's the percentage that we're up? 1.9? We could go up 5% today, on a day like today. Very easily. Alright, 4. Let's go here with a delta 70. Ooh, no, that premium's way too high. And I don't like the movement of the stock right now either. $149. Put your stops in at 149.89. And that was too slow. Well, it might have been for a good reason because it's popping back up. And that's what I think is going to happen. And I'm going to take advantage of that. What time is it? Is it 45 yet? See? $15 I just missed right there. Okay, let's pop this back on the screen. Oh, it's not looking good. Come on, don't let it happen. Don't let it happen. Jade, stop doing that, man. Go outside. Go ahead. You want to go out? Go out. Go out. Go ahead. No, don't bark. Go out. Alright. The drunk man that comes home and beats his dog. Shut up, dog. Jade, shut up. Thank you. I think this is going to come back up here. MTSL, how's that doing? Just good thing I didn't sell it there because it just went up a little bit. MTSL. It is at 149. Yeah, Roku's rallying right now. I just picked up those two options. It's not rallying really, but it could. This curve could rally. I don't know though. I don't know. Yeah, I think I have to go to. Alright, I'm out there. Now I'm losing a shit ton on Roku. But there's a reason. I'm gonna hedge that. UVXY is my next target. Alright, Roku's going back up. There it is. And I think the market's going to go down. If I had to make a prediction, market down because of oil, global conflicts, Roku up. But right now the market looks good, so I wouldn't make that like an official. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I'm just selling MTSL. There's no reason to hold that. Because it's ruining my gauge on my profits here. So is UVXY. Up 50 so far on the 42.50 now. Just let it sit. this here, this here, and let's just kind of wait. Come on. It's riding that 200 line. Something I see on my screen's popping up. ALDR. Gush hit a pivot and is now popping. I guess the whole oil sectors are probably doing that. All of them. Alright, here goes Roku. It's kind of going with the market a little bit. Come on, let's break 151. What's the pre-market highs? 151.71? Yeah, come on, we got to break that. I'm bet against myself with these UVXY. But I think that those will come into play later. Nice, Roku. Nice, 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 nice. So 149 calls up 32.50. Did it break that 151 or no? Alright, so it broke 151. Kind of is participating with the market, which I don't like. Okay, one of my Roku calls sold. Alright, they both sold. I can always get more later. It seems to be peaking at this level. So I'm going to go ahead and take a partial here in this account. Market. Should I? Yeah, market sell. Position. Alright, so I'm up 1,200 in this account. I'm up 619 in this account. I have 100 shares in each account. And I am expecting the market to come down. I'm not buying this up shit. I don't know what that's about. People spending money on crude stocks. Market's not going up today. But I'm out of Roku. It just double topped. I don't like that. I could be wrong though. It could shoot to 53, 54. But like I said, I have a meeting. I can't sit around and manage it. Oh my god, excuse me. Oh yeah, let me sell out completely here. Sell. position, sell. I still have these UVXY calls, which are hurting me a little bit. I would be up 120 otherwise from Roku. Let's see what the market does here at 50. If it breaks 50, I'll just sell them. But so far that's it today, because I do have to run. In my personal account, I am up $1,180. You know what? No, you're screwing up here. I have to put it in green. That way we know if it's a gain or a loss. I'll put the little plus symbol in black though. Plus. Oh my god, I'm colorblind. Alright, if market breaks 350, I'm gonna sell 350. I'm selling in my UVXY calls. Plus, okay, 1,180. That's my account. My TD Ameritrade account. Looks like the market's coming down a little bit. We don't know yet. That is to be determined. Oh, and the pool. The pool is up $577. Okay. A little plus there. Alright, so $577. And let's just wait a second for see what the market does. I think I'm gonna just sell these options right now. Yeah, we broke 50. Look at it. Look at its reaction as we break 50. It's stealing money from me. Come on, breakdown, 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 breakdown. I can't do a proper chart and analysis with this one. There we go. That's what I want to see. You know what? If it gives me a strong enough signal that it's going to come down, I'll buy more UVXY. I'll buy another $2,000 worth of options if I get a strong enough signal that it's going to come down, because the market is supposed to come down today. Not supposed to rally like this. Are people numb and retarded? Like that was a major thing that happened. Our whole economy is built on oil. I'm not gonna turn the camera off. I'm just gonna eat my donut in front of you, and you're gonna have to deal with it. Yeah, market looks too strong, but the tick is the tick is going negative, and I don't know. Oh shit! I better get rid of it. Sorry, that was so gross. Do on camera. I don't have any paper towels. Let me get some paper towels. Dave, why don't you lay in your bed? I got you your own bed. Because you like to lay next to me. Oh, okay. Okay. That's a good choice. Don't know what that was. I'm scared to look. Alright. Roku's coming back up, man. This might be the third pop Roku needs to break out. This could be the big breakout pop for Roku. Alright, come on. Are you going to come down or what? Market's coming down. Crew gave you a little dip so that you could buy it, but it's not going to give you much more than that, I don't think. Stocks are heading higher, she just said on the news, because of Saudi attacks. This is very important here. It double topped, came down. Now what is it trying to do? This might break out. Did you hear about that shit with the vape pens? People, they were finding like crystallized glass in their lungs. He looks like the guy from Enron who said he wasn't. Alright, how you guys doing? Where you at? I know we had no text alerts today. Um, I might as I don't want to put out Roku, but I think Roku has potential. Roku's been acting weird lately. I used to be able to predict its movements like nothing, and now it'll just bail on me. XOG looks really good. Just hit 4. No, Roku looks really good for potential continuation of trend. Show you. Look at that, like huge, massive spike, and then let me get this on the flex grid. It's like now it had a little dip, and now it's getting ready to come home. Yeah, today was a FU day to the shorts. A lot of people short these stocks because they're they're technically considered energy, utility, or whatever, and energy is considered a defensive stock, meaning it's kind of ironic because it didn't defend itself when it got attacked. But it's considered a defensive stock. I like this too much over 151 to tell you not to get in it. But yeah, so typically in markets, when it's bullish, people they go against those stocks. They go short. So a lot of shorts got crushed today. I think it was that Abu G guy. You hear about the weird Saudi prince and like all that stuff that goes on over there. It's just another world. That's so crazy. He's like a DDM house music prime minister. It's the way I would explain him. Like you would see him at a DDM rave party, kind of prime minister up in VIP. That's how I see the prime minister of Saudi Arabia. Damn it, I'm taking too long to text you guys out and this thing is going. I don't know. I don't think it's going to take though. Yeah, it's going to take. It tested too many times. Roku test 151. Oh shoot, now it's late. 25 if you can get in. Just go. Let me send it out. Oh my god, I made a typo. Okay, I broke the intraday highs. I'm gonna have to say over 152 because I missed everything else. What are we up? Broker's moving with the market. Look at that. It's a sad day in American history when that happens. That's crazy. It broke over the intraday highs and it didn't break out. It's gonna probably break out soon. But that's its peak, man. That's just it. Zoom out. That's its top. But is it coming in a ascending triangle formation? I don't know what this is. Hello. Yes, hi. Oh, that's right. All right. What's a good time? Actually, right now's a really bad time to. Can I call back this number? All right. Thank you very much. Bye. Damn it. I'm missing all this glub. Yeah, I see the bull flag slash ascending triangle. Oof, that looks really, really appetizing. All right. Small share size. No, no, no. 500 is still big share size. 200. Stop limit. 152. 1. 152. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 152. 15. Stop limit will prevent it from filling it above 15, which this stupid thing will definitely do. Wow. Look at that. That's going to 153. That's going right to 153 within 3 candles, 4 candles. It's a massive move. Look at it. It literally killed me at filled me at the most high possible price. Don't forget, this platform bets against you. Could end up losing money here. Market's strong, huh? It's not coming down. There we go. 153.25 is our target on the text alert. But when you're using Tradenet, you always reduce your target a little bit because the ask has to hit. You need the bid to hit your limit order. So if I put a limit order in, like the price is 160 right now, but the bid is lower, so market's coming down. That's good. I needed that. Needed that. Roku's rallying. That's good. I should have took some action in the pool, but I'm playing it conservative until I get everything finished with them. That's a change in trend, though. You notice that in the market? It's a little bit of a change in trend. Let's go to our markets page. What was I just gonna do? Sorry, let me see your messages. Vape ain't great. UWD scared me out. HI. Nothing to say, guys. Quiet day. Yeah, YouTube good. YouTube is fine. And Facebook, what's up? What's up? Yeah, sir. Oh shoot. I forgot I'm in. Crap. See? I knew this was gonna turn into a loss. We were in 111.80. Pop back up. Nah, this ain't turning into no loss. Here we go. Market's coming down. It's a good time actually now to get some more UVXY CALLS. I'm checking the trend on my other graph. And here, I'll pull up the same graph. Here. It is still following trend, so it may shoot up here. This might be my opportunity to get out of those calls that I'm in. This one, though, however, looks like, I don't know, we're at a very pivotal point here. So let's see what happens. VIX is rising. The tick is flat. Roku's killing it. And you guys, I usually have WTI here. WTI is, wow, WTI is killing it as well. Wow. WTI, talk about the place to go. Okay, this doesn't look good from right here. Oh shit. It looks like it's gonna keep going up. In other words, that was my opportunity to sell. Wait. Let's see. It pops up. Does it go above the previous peak? That's what defines a reversal. You have a drop down. If it doesn't go above this previous peak, it may not be a sharp reversal, but it's a reversal nonetheless. Okay, now that looks like the reversal right there. This should start popping up now. UVXY ain't acting the way it used to, right? Am I right? See, now we have a change in channel. The channel is this way. Now the channel is down. It started from here. It went to here. That was one channel. From here to here. Extend to right. Extend to right. Now it broke the channel. And we have a new channel. Extend from here to here. Extend to right. Oh shit, how's Roku doing? Um, and then, like, god damn it. Yep, this is definitely a reversal in trend. There it is. That's what I was waiting for. So now, if you wanted, would have been the time to get in. But I just figured the market was going to go down right away. I don't know why it went up. Okay, here goes Roku again. Let's see if I could get a sale above my actual account. Here. What the hell? Okay, 1100. There's so much oil in the world. Give a little, take a little. So just so you guys know, my mother is in from North Carolina. She lives in Asheville. Shout out Scotty Smallwood. She lives in Asheville, North Carolina, in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and so she's staying with me for a little bit, which is a nice feeling when you're able to have your mom stay at your crib instead of crashing at your mom's. But it's a little annoying. She's like moving my shit around and cleaning it, and you gotta get rid of this. No, ma, don't get rid of that sock. It's under the bed for a reason. Kidding. Only a few people got that joke. Well, I'm stuffy. I'm gonna do some nasal spray before I go to that meeting. Oh, what have I been calling it? The Nightingale, and it's the Martingale? Sorry, dude. Jeez, Jeremy. Just kidding. So it's the Martingale. Yeah, the Martingale system is a strategy is more commonly used in roulette, but you can use it when you have high sums of money in the market. One love. There is a risk of recurring attacks, even on American soil. Please say it. Please say it. If they say that, oh my God, wow, market will dump. Oil will soar, and everybody will be happy. But the market's already dumping. One love. I think I'm gonna nightingale it here. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna nightingale it. I'm kidding. I know it's the martingale. No, no, seriously, I'm not mad at you. Don't take that the wrong way. I'm just joking. I need to be corrected when I'm wrong. Like with you guys this morning. That, you know, even though I'm sure it's soaring. Oh, what's going on, Roku? See? It's a good thing I didn't get back in. I was told I meant about options. I was thinking of getting more options. It's a good thing I didn't. Because I would have been not one loved. Okay. Yeah, I know. It's hitting resistance at 150. It has been above 152. What do you mean? I'm confused. You got me confused. The key with Tradenet is really to never let yourself get scared. Like scared out. Don't get scared out of positions because then you have to re-enter and there's a recalibration. You're repaying commissions and look, I'm going right back up now. So now I'm repaying commissions. I'm betting the spread. Look at the spread on this. The spread was just about 30 cents. You pay a 30-cent spread at 1,000 shares. I think it's like 30 bucks. No, 300 bucks. Wait, what did I say? A 30-cent spread at 30 cents times how many shares did I say? 1,000? 300 bucks. Just because they're gapping the spread. And people don't realize that. And that's 2 times. You have to do that when you buy and when you sell. That's $600 lost just like that. So you want to stay in positions. You want to pick stocks that are going to rally. This better stop right here within that downtrend. Oh, crap. Give me a second here. Camera down. Hang on one second, guys. Oh crap. Alright, what do we do here? We don't get scared out. We just don't get scared out, although Roku is following the market. So logically it tells me I can get out and always get back in, I guess. Come on, go back to 151 at least. It's got to break the VWAP if it wants to continue going in the direction it's going, and I don't think it's going to do that. Yep, broke the VWAP. And broke 151. There we go. Now it's going to uptrend a little bit. Being greedy? Am I being greedy? Somebody tell me if I'm being greedy. Um, oh, that's a big bug. Get out of here. Yeah, am I just being greedy? So let me tell you something about greed. Hold on, where did I find that thing? I saw something really cool about your greed. So, alright, check it out. Greed motivates new traders and even many experienced traders. As it is, um, now, let me think. I found it on the web. Okay. Okay, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Since I discussed this powerful emotion, um, okay. Don't ask me how, but the market sees what greed motivates when greed motivates your trading. Don't believe me? Listen to traders talk about the time they bet the ranch. What? Convinced the stock was going to double. That was usually the last thing they remembered before the stock crumbled. It's true. It's so true. Who said? How many people said today? I'm going all in on oil once that, and then like, all right, oil's like, is it killing it? Am I missing something? All right, but anyway, so greed also comes into play when you chase a stock, which is a terrible thing to do, or pay too high a price for it. When you chase a stock, odds are good that you'll buy it at the top of the move and sell it at the bottom. Very true. Whenever you chase a move, you usually end up buying it at the worst possible point. That's why with Roku, I was so skeptic to send out this rally here. Um, but here comes the market dumping. Finally, it's about time, dude. Dump create. Yeah, pop up a little bit. I need to buy. I need to average down a little bit. Oh man, Roku. I keep getting greedy with Roku. So let me finish about greed. Because it says here it has the cure for greed. Okay, so here's the cure for greed. Alright, as a trader, you've already decided to limit your risk by trading small lot sizes. Don't compromise. This alone will temper any notions that more is better. Okay? That was one cure. Wasn't really head over heels over that one. And while I was reading that, I missed my buy opportunity. Alright, let's see the market crash right now. Alright, so the second one is when you see, oh yeah, Roku. What are you doing, Roku? You broke the View app? Alright, I'm just gonna sell you. Because I don't want to smell you. Alright, I'm out of Roku. So, that sucks. Shouldn't have got back in. But smart thing is, I went back in what? Small size. I only went back in with 2,000 shares. I think my initial share size was around 8,000. But I only went back in with 200 shares. I'm sorry, my initial share size was 800. When I went back in, it was only with 200 for this reason exactly. If Roku went the other way, I don't want to get taken out. And all that happened is I changed this 1180 down to 800 and whatever it says, 842. So I'm changing that to 842 on the thing. Up 842. Doing pretty good today. All three accounts look good. Up about 65 right now. Oh, I just showed my account information, account number, but it's all right. 5790. Oh shoot, 5719. Yeah, video. Roku's going back up. See, you can't get scared out. You just gotta kind of hold it. Because if I buy back in now, you know how much more I'm gonna pay for that? Okay, here we go. Market must be diving a little bit. Yes, it is. And beautiful. Your VXY calls. Great, 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 great pick. Let's start putting some sell orders on these calls here. So I have 4 of them. I like to buy all the same one typically because you could sell them all in one shot, but you could also sell them off little by little. You know, so I think this will go to 310 for sure. And I'll sell one for 310. Confirm send. Cancel replace order. I'm gonna sell another one for 345. I'm going to sell another one for 495. That'll be, sorry, not 495. 390. Confirm send. And then the last one you put really far out there in hopes that it goes to like 350 and you have a crazy day. Confirm. Oh, no. One, 350 might be a little out there. Maybe not. I mean, it could definitely hit that. 325. I could definitely see it hitting 325. That's why I want to go a little out there, but I'll just do that. So now I should have 4 orders, and I don't. Alright, I got the 290. Whoa. Yeah, I got the 390, the 325, the 345. Oh, I know what's going on here. And then I'm gonna sell that last one for 425. Unless I think I know what happened here. Yeah, I put two. It just canceled all my orders. Really? Alright, so let's do that again. I don't know. I think I think I know where I screwed up. Alright, so position. Alright, don't really care. Let's go. It's easier to do this from monitor. sell one, or active trader, but I don't ever use active trader because I'm not like super active when I'm trading. I'm like buying one thing or two things, that's it. That's the way to do it. So I set this one at 310. Oh, that's gonna get filled then. Let's go 320. Whatever, 312. Okay, closing order sell. Yeah, that one's about to get filled right away. I don't like that. Okay. Up 103 right now. Very good, very good. One low. Oh wow. Who's declaring bankruptcy? Purdue Pharma. Do they even have a stock, Purdue? They do, right? So we got the World Series of Trading tomorrow, guys. Are you excited? Because I'm freaking excited, man. Freaking excited, dude. Yeah, I see a market coming down like a freaking house of cards today. I just don't know why. Come on, we gotta break that 300, oh baby boy. Gotta break that 300. It's stuck on that 300. I guess I could put camera back on now. Let's go 345. Confirm send. There's two orders. There's the 315, the 345. Does this have the delta to even make those moves? Yeah, 64. Sell one at illegal. How is that illegal? Oh, edit. Alright. So there's not much else to do but sit and let your orders fill. Now, what I'll do is I'll have a stop on these based on the market's movement, which appears to be to the downside. I'm going to run outside very quickly. I'm going to go ahead and check on Ma, see how she's doing. I feel bad. Hopefully I don't get screwed here like I currently am. Alright, Ma, well, looks like you gotta wait. Where's my graph where I drew the? This is good. This Roku's gonna take off again soon. Look how close it is to 76. That's a full $25 right there. Makes me want to just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days away, something like that. How's all the oil? So here's the oil stocks. I put them all right here in the corner. You got you guys. Well, that's natural gas. So my bad. UWT. I'm not Ricky Gutierrez. Nothing like him. Let's see. Gush. Val. Halliburton's. So the best one just seems to be the typical UWT. Let's check it out. Okay. Yeah, it gave you a nice dip at the open so you can make some profit during the day. That was nice of it, right? That was very nice. Kind move. I would like it to not go up because it brings the market up with it. And that's not good. We're still within the channel of the um, on the SPY. We're still within that downward channel, so I ain't going. Who says this? I ain't going nowhere. Oh no, that's a different movie. I don't even know who says this. If you tell me who says that, I know where we're going. We're going nowhere. Anybody can find what that sound bit is from, I will send you $5 right now on Cash App. I used to say that to my little niece. She'd be like, "Can we go to the store?" And I would just mess with her. I'd be like bumming out on the couch and say, "Hey, Jocelyn." She's like, "Yeah, where are we going?" "We're going nowhere." She gets so upset. Ah, funny memories. Alright, don't exit that channel or I'm going to throw a brick at you. Alright, I'll be right back, ladies and gents. And, I'll be right back. Gimme. Alright, so I have to get ready to go. I gotta get ready to go to this meeting. How are we doing here? Alright, I might just sell out. Alright, let's check the level 2s here. Here we go. We got 299 on the. Here we go. Broke the 300. 96. Let's get out of the 290 zone. Alright, now we're up. Slowly moving up. Back down. Okay, that means it's 1050. That same alert comes on at 1050 every day. Hey, listen, old man. Now, don't psychoanalyze me, alright? Shut up. I'm talking. I'm taking you out to where we're going. Where are you going? I told you. We're going nowhere. What is that from? Uh-oh. We broke the channel. Not good, not good, not good. What's that from, though? Oh, yeah. That's like my favorite movie ever. Into the Wild. He's like going crazy there in that scene. Oh, it's too bad I can't play it. They'll take my video down. It's copyrighted crap. Alright, we broke out of the channel, but it looks like we're breaking back can. Let's look easier, see what I'm looking at if I show you. Here was the channel, but actually I misdrew the channel. The channel is actually here. So we're still within that downward channel. So we're doing good. NASDAQ is down 0.3%. Dow is down 0.5%. This collar's messed up. Come on, baby boy. Cash App is actually pretty cool because you can put your money in Bitcoin if you want. Although I don't suggest investing in Bitcoin. I do agree with what Mark Cuban said. Mark Cuban actually said take 10% of your net worth and put it in Bitcoin, but make sure it's money that you don't care about. And that's a term I commonly refer to. I'll be like, all right, I like this earnings play, but please use funds you don't mind losing. Roku downtrend or bounce? Let's see. Woo, the market coming down hard. Good. Roku downtrend with the market right now. It may bounce once the market reverses, but this is a strong downtrend here. Okay. Oh, where'd you go? Nice. Let's break 80, break 80, break 80. Oh no. Roku's near a pivot, I believe. 147. Let's check. Well, let's see how this is doing, by the way. Wow, got it all the way up there. No, still got a ways to go to hit the pivot. 133. That's quite a drop. I don't know if it's gonna do that. of this. Doesn't seem to want to touch the bottom of the channel, which usually means it's consolidating to the upside. Yeah, this looks like this is getting ready to break to the upside. That just wouldn't make sense on a day like today. Oil's dropping a little bit. That pullback might be a good entry. 562. The peak is 585 on WTI. Yep, this doesn't look good. Huh. So it looks like Roku was our hell yes stock. And rewrite that. So Roku's your hell yes. Not so much anymore. But I haven't seen any other hell yes stocks today. Anything I'm interested in jumping in. I mean, I missed the boat on oil. It's kind of like chasing the gap. It's just, you're never going to make money doing that. Maybe. Question mark. TVIX. UVXY. Alright, it's 11 o'clock. Sometimes turns on the hour, the whole hour, will make changes in the market. Whatever it is, corporations start buying in, hedge funds start making moves. They'll do it at certain hours. Like I said, crypto, Jeremy, for holding. I agree with what Mark Cuban said, and he's just like, maybe just take a little bit and hold it just in case, you know. But don't go all in on crypto. That's crazy. That's madness. Shit. Looks like the market is. Okay. Market acting very weird. All right, and your hell no. By the way, if you're wondering what this is to the right, this is the list for the World Series of Day Trading, which begins tomorrow, which will be the, not the majority of our focus, but we will be focusing a lot on this. And what's great about it is it's not your money, so you have the ability to take risks, and sometimes risks pay off. But as of today, hell no stocks. Don't have any. Don't have any stayaways. I might, nah, I wouldn't even put it that way. Oil just keeps going up and down. It just keeps fluctuating. If you could ride those gaps, if you were good enough to it's pretty well trended in there. This is gush. It dumps. It's in a little bit of a bear flick situation. Pops up, dumps again, starting to pop up. Peaks at around 5. Pre-market highs 514. You can make a little money, but you won't make a killing. We've already kind of peaked. Roku's really coming down hard there, huh? Alright, looks like crude's, the market's trying to break up here. Really hard. It's trying to break up. I wonder what U-Silv looks like, or D-Silv. Because gold is killing it right now. Roku dive, man. Roku looks like it's starting to pop though now. On some serious, you know what? Yeah, with the market popping up now, Roku's starting to pop up now. Let's take a look at Roku real quick. Yeah, that's a definite turn there. What the frick? Can't find anything. Mm-hmm. Yep. That is a strong move. Hmm. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Mm. Mm. Keeping an eye on Roku for that trend change. But watching the market at the same time. weary of what's going on here. Hmm. Alright, we're probably going to see a pop right here. There we go. There we go. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Keep going, keep going. Go ahead. Go ahead. Roku definitely looks like there's some kind of reversal happening here. I would like to see it to go into 149. Uh, Come on. There you go, Roku. Oh, no. Caved in. Let me see. Roku. Strong downtrend. TTM is reversing to the upside. I'm gonna say Roku looks good. Roku does look good here. But I want it above 149. That's it. That'll have me convinced. Because this could be almost cup and handling here, no? How's the MACD? MACD is reversing to the upside. It's kind of choppy here. I don't like choppy. Okay. Alright. The TTM looks like it's about to turn blue. We got the Bollinger Bands and the Celtic Channel are intersected at this point. It's usually indicative of a reversal. So this, see how it's swinging down the channel? It may swing up. Let's find out. There's momentum and stuff on here too, but you can't see it because this. I have to blow up the screen, like I lower the resolution for the streaming, so you can see it better. But if I put it on this screen, okay, momentum is still negative 0.2 on Roku, so that's not good. We need momentum for this stock to rally. RSI is to the downside. It's actually 41 exactly. The bid is 35. The bid is 43. If we can get that bid to like 61, the bid is still 40. Yeah, I see a reversal here for sure. I don't know, it depends. It like depends. The market looks like it's getting ready to go down here, and I don't think Roku will go against the market right now. For some reason, it goes with it. $37, $32. Come on, it's gonna do it. 48. Yeah. I don't know why I'm doubting myself today. Because Roku's been so weird lately, man. It's not been acting how it normally acts. Following the market, like that's just like a little out of character. See, we got these red dots, red dot, red dot, red dot, red dot. None of these are blue yet. That one was about to be blue. There we go. We got some blue. Blue will grew. Alright, I'm going to put out an alert. Market's going down, and this is still kind of steadily climbing. That makes me comfortable because I'm pretty sure the market's going to continue down. Otherwise, I obviously would have sold those options. No, it's just not doing it. Come on, man. What are you doing? You got all these high tails, two high tails. Is there a gap on Roku today? Yeah. Well, here's the thing with gaps. The market going down. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so that's the thing with gaps is these are Japanese candlesticks. So the Japanese basically believe that a gap is like a window and it will eventually be closed. Okay, so the market's coming back down again. It's got me wondering. Hmm. What's the SPY doing? Okay. Now you want to go back? Okay, Oscar, I see you. I see you. I will add you to the thing. To the thing. Oh shoot! It's getting so late. I gotta go. I think I'm taking a hit here. 46. Alright, I have all my cells in, right? And when do these expire? Oh, 18 days? I'll hold those overnight. What's the theta? 26? I'll hold them overnight. I don't care. They could either hit my target or I'll hold on to them because I don't see really the market rallying like that crazy, you know? If anything, I see it coming down hard. But anyway, that's it for today, guys. I will see you next time.